you could keep just one seasoning on your kitchen counter, this might be it. Today we're making a Brazilian herb seasoning salt that's savory, aromatic, and versatile, enough to elevate everything from grilled meats to roasted vegetables. Full recipe link is in the description below. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley to form the flavorful base of this blend. Next, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for rich, savory depth. Then add 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper to bring warmth and balanced flavor. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes for an extra layer of complexity and optional heat. Mix everything thoroughly until the herbs and spices are evenly distributed. If you prefer a finer texture, pulse the mixture a few times in a spice grinder or food processor before storing. A quick question before we continue: which dish would you sprinkle this seasoning on first? If you'd like to see more homemade seasonings, like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon for future recipes. So here you go with your Brazilian herb seasoning salt. This recipe makes about 1/2 cup of seasoning, giving you plenty to use across multiple meals. Simply sprinkle it over meats, vegetables, or rice before or after cooking for an easy boost of flavor. If you make a larger batch or have some left over, transfer it to an airtight jar. Store it in a cool, dry place for up to 6 months to keep the herbs and spices at their best. So give this a try in your favorite dishes, then let us know in the comments where you used it first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next SpiceRally recipe.